Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Vivo Neo 7. First thing to remember, that it's completely normal for your phone to heat while you're charging it. Next thing to know is that it heats especially when you're using fast charging, so consider going to settings, click on battery, then battery health and charging, and super fast by default. Disable this option. This might let your phone not heat that much. Next thing is to, like I did, lower the brightness of the phone or use the adaptive brightness. If you're charging your phone, then disable all of the options that you're not using. I'll consider on using the airplane mode, because it just disables all the features that you don't need. For example, data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, or personal hotspot and Vivo Share. Then use the original charger and the cable. This may help as well. Then disable your phone, power it off, and leave it. Don't use it while you're charging, just leave it to let it charge properly. Next is to remove the case while you're charging your phone. It's difficult for me, but this also may help, because the case will stop the heat here and keep it on the phone. And last but not least, charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. Avoid putting it on your bed, of course, because this would heat very easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.